We are pleased to show you the 2008 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 10-cylinder and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, black door handles, chrome rear bumper, fog lamps, front passenger side roof ride handle, front stabilizer bar. Inside you'll find cruise control, driver and passenger grab handles, tilt steering wheel, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.